everything that we can distract ourselves and disengage from our family, it's important to find a way to bring that time. And a blackout's a perfect excuse to get together and hang out as a family. But I also think it's important to do that anyway. So if you could find an excuse in your house to maybe turn off the lights, turn off the television, turn off the computer, and get together and play a board game or read a book, and even do it by flashlight or candlelight, I think it's a fun, throwback from before Thomas Edison came along and invented the light bulb. So my book is Blackout. I hope you enjoy